Hello students, welcome back for the fourth lecture of the topic or the chapter social responsibility and business ethics. Okay, so here we'll be discussing more about the business environment protection and causes of pollution. Generally, these are the topics which are important as per the syllabus. Okay, so let's move ahead with the topic to be discussed. First one is the business and environment protection, causes of pollution, need for the pollution control, role of the business environmental protections. Okay, so let's discuss this authority one by one. The first one is the meaning of the environment. Meaning of the environment is defined as the totality of man's surrounding, both natural and man-made, natural resources, all land, water, air, and man-made culture, heritage, socio-economic institution, and the people. This is the particular definition for the environment. Generally, this environment is a surrounding where all the living and non-living things are consist in a general language. Moving ahead in the meaning of the environmental pollution, it means injection of harmful substance into the environment, and the greatest problem that industrials and the businessmen are creating is that pollution which is the result of industrial production. So the protection of environment is must. Okay, means they are just discharging any kind of the harmful substance into the air or the soil or in the water. This is a particular pollution. Okay, now moving ahead in the chapter is the causes of pollution. First one is air pollution. Due to smoke and chemical emitted by the factories, vehicles, it has created a hole in the ozone layer, leading to a global warming. uh, the first thing which comes to our mind is that New Delhi is a perfect example of this. The air of the particular area is not suitable for the survival. The air condition and the quality of the air has just gone tremendously down. Okay. Next one is the water pollution. Due to the chemical and waste dumped into the river, streams, lake, it has led to the death of the several aquatic animal. Post is a serious problem of the human's life. Okay, means disposing the chemicals into the rivers, lakes. This creates a big problem for the humans as well as the aquatic animals. Okay, so these are majorly the point. Next one is the land pollution due to the dumping of garbage and toxic waste, which affect the fertility of the land, makes it unfit for agriculture. Means anything you are discharging into the particularly area, okay, sand or the particular area which is not suitable for the area, that agricultural land is already terminated. The purpose is that that gets eliminated due to the chemicals which are being disposed in the fertility of the soil. Okay, next one and the last one is the noise pollution. Okay, noise pollution is caused by the runnings of the factories. Okay, this generally happens in the area where the industries are set up, the high machines that create unorthodox particular sounds. Okay, caused by the running factories and vehicles. Noise pollution can be responsible for many diseases like loss of hearing, violent behavior, and mental disorder. These are the problems which are caused by the noise pollution. Okay, so moving ahead in the chapter, we are going to discuss is the need for pollution control. Okay, to ensure the healthy life, many diseases like cancer, heart attack, lungs complications are caused by the pollutant in the environment. Pollution control is must to keep a check these diseases. Okay, means if the pollution is there, certainly this kind of disease will arise. Next one is to ensure safety due to environmental pollution, smokes, pollution and smoke, the visibility is reducing, due to which chances of accident have been increasing. To reduce the number of accidents, there must be a check on pollution. Okay, means if there is a good check of the pollution, that definitely will result a good impression. Okay, next one is economic losses. Pollution in the environment brings heavy economic losses for the country. For example, Taj Mahal is losing its beauty due to the pollution. Okay, it is losing its particularly mean proper beauty specification it is losing due to the pollution. It is getting black and black day by day. Okay, so this is a problem which is being caused by the pollution. Next one is improved public image. A firm that adopts pollution control measures enjoy a good reputation as a socially responsible enterprises. Okay, the first thing which strikes to our mind is that if we are using the classmate copy, it is generally a particular activity where the people see that it is eco-friendly, so people generally prefer for these units. Okay, now the role of the business environment protection. Okay, this particularly is the last part of the chapter, so let's have a go. Eco-friendly and clean or the low wastage technology should be used by the industrial organization. Okay, means eco-friendly ways of production and the technology which are beneficial, that has to be used by enterprises or the industrial organization. Industrial wastage should be recycled as far as possible, means whatever the wastage they are causing, that should be recycled and bringing a best result. Plant and machinery should be modified to minimize the pollution, means a modification is required at this level also, and the pollution that which can be checked out. The business houses should comply with the law and regulation enacted by the prevention of the pollution. Several laws and the performer has been prepared by the government, so that has to be followed by the organization and the business house. Last point is positive steps should be taken to save environment. Okay, this includes plantation of trees, cleaning of rivers, pond, etc. Means this has to be taken into consideration. If this is not taking not been taken as a not being taken into consideration, that will result a bad impression. Okay, so these are all kind of activity. We were looking about the certain part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. We discuss all kind of particular business problems and business ethics. Okay, and so social responsibility also was included. So this was the last part of it. So this chapter here comes to an end. Okay, thank you for the